Finding the right researcher shouldn't be a hassle. This video shows how to find and contact researchers on ProjectBist, simply and quickly. First off, click on the Search Researcher link in the navigation menu to start exploring the full growing list of researchers on ProjectBist. Let's check out a researcher from the list. Click the View Profile button to view the full professional profile of the target researcher. Marcus Pratt, a research consultant. Click the Attachment drop-down to view attached documents to the profile. He has CV and portfolios here. To start conversation with Marcus, now click the Start Chat button. For anonymous users, you will be required to sign in or create an account to be able to initiate chat. For verified users, simply click Continue to Chat to immediately initiate direct conversation with the researcher. That will move you to the chat page. In the chat, simply enter your message in this chat box to start conversation. You can reach a researcher just like that. That's how easy to search and contact a researcher on ProjectBist. Check out the database now for the right researcher for your project. Thank you.